Welcome to this property brought to you by the experts at Coldwell Banker Holman Premier Realty in Klamath Falls, Oregon. For more information be sure to visit coldwellbankerhpr.com or call 541-884-1343 extension 4-bedroom 2-bath home with a brand new 24x24 family flex room addition, completed in 2017. Home features vaulted ceilings and kitchen, newer appliances, gas heat and fireplace. Staircase has new lift chair installed in 2017 for handicapped access to the 3 upstairs bedrooms. Seller just invested $65,000 in brand new family room addition featuring 9-feet ceilings and extra insulation and its own heating and cooling system. Nice sized lot with a fenced yard. Would make a great starter home or larger rental. Highly motivated seller.